Blisworth Tunnel. Fortunately, I've got to go all the way up there and up and over for miles now. It's about a 2-mile journey to find the other end of this bloody tunnel. But hey, guess what? It's only bloody raining. Isn't it lovely? Get out there, embrace it on your skin. The sensuality of rain, something else. So anyway, enjoy the rain. Yeah, oh, look how beautiful this is. The old railway line, Brampton Way, I think it's called. It's like, I was just thinking, wow, there's no fly dumps. Obviously, it's out of the way. But what the hell is that? That's a fly dump of grey asbestos. So that's going to take, that's going to need experts to get rid of that. Needs to all go in a container and everything. I don't know if it's the farmer or what, dumping it there. But yeah, oh man, you got crops, rapeseed, all in this area. There's just a little river where those trees are there. 3 trees there. Man, that's humanity for us, isn't it, eh? That's humanity. Absolutely chucking buckets here. But I'm undercover, so I'm all good. I was going to say, yeah, so this is the first bit of rain that I've had in 7 weeks, 6 weeks. All day experience of rain. It's, yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? Get out there and enjoy the sensuality of the raindrops on your body, man. Don't run from it. That's what we do when it rains. Go out, collect the water, do what you can with it. Because we're soon going to be in a drought. Ooh, into the light. Wow. I think this will do for the night, don't you?